Hey guys, this is Tim with Tim Stout & Associates, Compass Real Estate, your trusted real estate expert for Coweta and Fayette County. We're here for episode 3 of Home Town Hotspots, and I'm here with my friend, not Spider-Man, I'm here with
Rudy Wild.
We're at Full Circle Toys, Downtown Newnan, right off the square. I have so much nostalgia in this room. I can go by and I can see all the toys that I played with as a kid, and they're here right now. These were a big thing when I was a kid, the Garbage Pail Kids. It's like we used to trade these, and it's like,
oh yeah,
I don't even know what it is.
Yeah.
One thing that I find really neat when looking at all these toys, these G.I. Joes, I had a friend growing up, Cliff Mahala. Between me and him, we probably had every one of these toys. And some of these G.I. Joes are listed as much as $600. We have $600, $200, $150, $75, $130. So basically what I'm saying, there's probably $1 million buried in mine in his yard somewhere.
Sure was cool too. He was the arms dealer.
Whatever happened to his head?
They never explained it. And I would just go next door and
read?
Yeah, whatever they had. I have this one in that box right here. This exact one. Unfortunately, only $1 for that.
I remember the Christmas we got this. It was like the group gift between me. It was both my brothers, and we got it. It's Snake Mountain from He-Man. And I still remember that to this day.
Oh. You can never do that today.
Hey guys, we just finished up Home Town Hotspots, Full Circle Toys. And Rudy, what was your impression? You've been here once before, right? Or a couple times?
It's great. I love coming in here every time. Brings back tons of memories. Just got to stop myself from buying up a bunch of toys.
You should buy them all for your son.
I know. I'm afraid that if I let him play with them, though, I'd be like, "No, you're gonna break it. You're doing it all wrong.
Touch that one.
They're in a battle."
Walking in here, I'd say if you're anywhere between 30 to 60, you're going to have a lot of really good memories. About that time frame?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you?
38.
Okay, yep. So you're gonna start seeing all the toys that you played with as a kid, or the ones that you wanted to play with as a kid. And like Rudy said, the hard part is, when you're a kid, you don't have two nickels to rub together. So, and now that you come in here and you can buy G.I. Joes, it's like,
I couldn't even find a Snake Eyes or a Destro when I was a kid. The fact that they have them on the shelf now, it's like they didn't have them in the store,
We'll leave it with this. Who was your favorite G.I. Joe?
Storm Shadow or Snake Eyes.
Remember Swift Kick?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Swift Kick was mine. I was a karate guy growing up, believe it or not.
Wow. Didn't know that about you.
Don't be ninja. Don't need ninja. Hey guys, definitely come out to Full Circle right here on the square at the toy store, right across from Newnan Times-Herald and the Cellar. Come by, check it out. Tell them you saw the video and you want to see what was going on here. Remember, who you work with matters, and have a great day.